Did you just buy a new home? Do you have the keys in your hand right now? So what should you do next? Here are my top 5 tips that I share with my buyers that I'm going to share with you. Tip number 1, rekey your house. Toss those keys in your hands right away and call the locksmith out. My God, this should be a no-brainer. You have absolutely no idea who else has keys to your house. Most people trust that the seller is a good person and they have no ill intent, but you just have no idea who else they gave keys to. Call your local locksmith and they can help you rekey. And even better, this is a great time to decide what you want to do with your keys. Do you want to have one key to rule them all? Or do you want to have a unique key to each door? Hey, you do you. Tip number 2, deep clean the place. Look, everybody's standard of clean is different. One of the best ways to get comfortable with the house is for it to feel absolutely clean to you. And while you're at it, don't forget the filters. There's filters on just about everything these days. The heater, of course, but your fridge has one, the dishwasher has one. I'm sure I'm forgetting other ones. And don't forget your dryer vent. It might not have a filter, but it's very important to clean that out. Tip number 3, along the lines of cleaning the inside, you want to check the outside as well. If this is your first home, you might not realize how important cleaning the gutters are. They help move water away from your home, and if the water sits there, the gutters might pull away from your house. And while you're up on the ladder, check for missing paint, paint chipping. These are areas you can't see from the ground level. It's a good time to do it. Paint is one of your big protections against water damage. Don't take it lightly. Tip number 4, learn your home. Go find where the water shutoff valve is. Where's the electric panel? Does the gas have a shutoff valve? Does your furnace have an emergency shutoff? You gotta figure these things out before there's an emergency. Oh, and while you're looking at the furnace, if you haven't changed the filter from tip number 2, it's a good time to do it now, and then set yourself a reminder for the next time you need to change it. Tip number 5, clean your chimney. Here in the Pacific Northwest, we don't have a lot of cold weather, but we have a lot of chimneys. One of the big mistakes I see people do is just start using the fireplace without having it cleaned or inspected. Chimney fires are a real thing and they're a fire risk, so get that clean before you start using it. And finally, a bonus tip. I sure hope you didn't skip a home inspection. I wouldn't have let you as your buyer's agent. Look through your inspection report and make a plan of action. This is a great to-do list for you over the next year. What I would do personally is tackle them in an order of importance. Tackle health and safety first, and then also tackle anything that might be causing damage to your house. Like, is there a leak? Fix that leak. Use this list to take care of everything in the first year so you know your home is well maintained. And above all, don't stress, enjoy your new home. This is yours now, and you'll get in the groove of all this soon enough. Please like, comment, and subscribe as this helps my videos get to more people like you. Best of luck out there, and I hope you enjoy your new home.